Let's see that how to uninstall the MongoDB. So let's check that where the MongoDB installation folder is saved. So first open the folder. So here you can find something called a C drive. Go to the C drive. In that C drive you can find something called your programming files. Open the program file. In that you can find something called MongoDB. So here we have installed our MongoDB. Here you can find something called service. So inside of the service we have 8 version. Here we are installed our MongoDB. Now what we have to do, we should uninstall the MongoDB. So let's see that how to uninstall. So let me close this. So first what we'll do, let's open that. Okay, setting, setting. So in that setting you can find something called apps. Go to the apps. So here you can see that installed apps. So in that installed apps you should find that MongoDB where we are installed our MongoDB. So let me search here MongoDB. Okay, so let me search. Here we have that MongoDB. See, you can find here MongoDB. So you should uninstall this both. First, let me uninstall the Compass first. So uninstall the Compass. Okay. So it take a time. So the Compass is uninstalled. Now uninstall that our MongoDB also. So uninstall. Yes. Here it is asking me the permission. Please give me that. Yes. Okay. You yes. So it is uninstalled right now. Okay, so you can check once again. Here we don't have the MongoDB no more. Okay, so let me close this and let me check once again inside of the folder. Go to the C drive and check in the C drive program files. So in the program file check there is a MongoDB. Yes, here we have the MongoDB. So what we have to do, we should delete this folder also. Okay, here let's delete this folder also. So delete the MongoDB file from here also. Okay, delete and tell that continue. So it is uninstalled successfully. Now let's check whether is it available or not. Okay, go to the CMD and right here. Okay, MongoD hyphen version. Okay, hyphen version, give enter. So it is telling me that that is a MongoDB is not recognized as a internal or external command. So we are installed, that is a uninstalled successfully MongoDB. Thank you guys.